Welcome to another NVENTREE video tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Royal Mail Click and Drop with NVENTREE. First, you'll need a Dropbox account in order to proceed. You can sign up for a free account by visiting www.dropbox.com. You'll also need to register for a Click and Drop account at https://business.parcel.royalmail.com/register. Once you have the two accounts, we can move on to the integration. Sign in to your Click and Drop account and click on Settings in the upper right corner of the web page. Then click on Go in the Channels and Stores section. Once in the Channels and Stores section, click on Add a new integration on the top right and select Dropbox when integration pop-up appears. Now you'll need to sign into NVENTREE to integrate Dropbox with your NVENTREE account. Click on Settings and choose Shipment Management. Under Shipment Integrations, click the green Add button. Choose Click and Drop. Now click the link that says Connect to Dropbox and NVENTREE should detect your Dropbox account. You will then be taken to the Edit Click and Drop page. You will need to map the shipping services from Click and Drop to the shipping services set up on your platforms. First, select the provider, either domestic or international. Then click on the green plus next to the shipping services, which will open the mapping pop-up. From here, you need to select the service you wish to map. When you're finished mapping, click Update. Now that the accounts are integrated and the mapping is set up, you're ready to send the booking to Click and Drop. A manual import is required in order for Click and Drop to save the import details. It will use these details for future imports. Navigate to the order grid and select an order. Choose Export to Click and Drop ad hoc from the Actions menu. Click Download CSV. This will generate a CSV file that will need to be uploaded into Click and Drop. At this point, you need to sign back in your Click and Drop account. Navigate to the Orders dropdown and select Import. Now take the file you exported from NVENTREE and upload in Step 1 File Upload. In Step 2, you'll need to choose the trading name and the customer name format. Make sure you choose first and last name combined. Step 3 is field mapping, and this should be mapped, but it's a good idea to just double check that the columns are correctly assigned. Once you click Import Orders, a booking will be created and you can create the label. Now you will be able to send any orders to Click and Drop for booking from NVENTREE using the Export to Click and Drop option from the Actions menu. After the labels have been printed, you can go back into Click and Drop and dispatch the orders. The order statuses will be updated in NVENTREE. If you require a record of tracking numbers in NVENTREE, you will need to click Export to XLS within Click and Drop. Once you have the XLS file, navigate back to the NVENTREE Orders page and choose Bulk Import Update from the Actions menu. Upload the XLS in the Upload Shipment section and then choose Click and Drop. Thank you for your time. If you require further assistance, please visit our knowledge base section on www.inventree.com.